Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply Apple layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this one from this developer, and when it's ready, hit open. In order to use iOS Launcher, you need to select while using and allow in the pop-ups. And then swipe up from the button of your screen. Now click on Home button. Following that, go into Settings and tap on Apps section. Now select Default Apps, click on Home app and tap on iOS one in order to apply it. Lastly, choose Got It in the pop-up, and as you can see after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on this Motorola smartphone. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and tapping on Moto Launcher or Apple one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!